Color accuracy so good, it'll roast your old monitor. ASUS ProArt PA32UCR-K review. 4K HDR madness. Ever stared at your screen and thought, why does this still look washed out? Yeah, we've all been there. Whether you're editing photos that somehow look different on every device or coloring a film scene only to have it turn neon on someone else's screen, frustration is real. Your current monitor might be killing your creative vibe, draining your momentum, and making you second-guess your own skills. You've tried tweaking the settings, downloading ICC profiles, and still, colors feel off. Deadlines loom, motivation slips, and it feels like you're stuck working through a foggy window. Now crank that pain up to 100. Imagine your deadline's tomorrow, your client wants perfect color accuracy, and your monitor just said, good luck with that, buddy. You're juggling footage that looks different on every screen, tweaking contrast till your eyeballs burn, and losing hours chasing color consistency that never shows up. Creative burnout creeps in. That Instagram perfect shot? Meh. The corporate client video? Washed out. You're not just wasting time, you're wrecking your credibility. What good is your talent if your tools are sabotaging you from the start? Enter the ASUS ProArt PA32UCR-K, aka the color wizard you didn't know you needed. With 98% DCI-P3, 99.5% AdobeRGB, and quantum dot tech that makes your old monitor look like a kid's tablet, this 32-inch 4K HDR beast is the gold standard for content creators. We're talking 1000 nits peak brightness, mini LED local dimming, and a delta E less than 1. Translation, what you see is what you actually get. Comes factory calibrated, includes the X-Rite i1 calibrator, and even throws in 3 months of Adobe Creative Cloud. This isn't just a monitor, it's your color accuracy soulmate. Let's talk perks, shall we? This bad boy turns your workspace into a color grading command center. Razor-sharp 4K clarity, buttery-smooth gradation, and color spaces so wide they practically teleport you into your footage. The HDR Preview Mode even lets you see real results before exporting, no more blind guesswork. Simplified setup via USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI means you're ready to roll straight out of the box. Don't just work faster, work smarter. Get into the zone where everything just works and creativity flows like cold brew on deadline day. Curious yet? Tap play and peep the proof. But fair warning, this monitor moves fast. Creators around the world are jumping on it, and stock isn't guaranteed tomorrow. Want deeper blacks, brighter whites, and pure pixel perfection? You've got one shot to join the color elite and leave behind almost right for exactly perfect. So don't wait. Don't doubt. Join the thousands of designers, editors, and digital artists already winning big with ProArt. Click that link, upgrade your vision, and let your screen finally catch up with your talent. Because in this game, color matters. And this screen nails it.